Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use Cocentric Mate in this mechanism. You can see this gear mechanism were not connected with this cam mechanism. See? That's why we can use Cocentric Mate. We use like this. Go to this Cocentric Mate, check the lock rotation. This function for lock the cam movement with this shaft, and click OK. Do it the same thing with gear mechanism. Go to gear, go to this Cocentric Mate, check lock rotation, and OK. Now we see the movement. Rotate this gear. See, now the movement mechanism is connected. That is quick tips. See ya.